Oh, hey! Yate, hello, and welcome to Daybreak Warriors Navajo Word of the Day. Today's Navajo word of the day is nurse. To say nurse in Navajo, you say, Azee Neikáhí, Azee Neikáhí, nurse. Azee means medicine, Neikáhí means the one who carries it around, like in an open container or a tray. Azee Neikáhí, and that's specifically a registered nurse. If we're talking about a nursing assistant, you say, Azee Neikáhí, Yiká'análwo'ígíí. Yiká'análwo'ígíí means the one that helps him or her out. In this instance, the nurse. To use this word in a sentence, you can say, damóo ooleełígíí, Azee Neikáhí ahééh hwiindzin, nihił dahózhó. Damóo ooleełígíí, Azee Neikáhí ahééh hwiindzin, nihił dahózhó, which means this week is National Nurses Week. Why don't you celebrate National Nurses Week? And that is today's Navajo word of the day. Azee Neikáhí, nurse. Have a nice day.